Welcome back everyone, and welcome to my channel. For this video, I thought I'd introduce myself, show you a few things that I've made over the years, and just a little view around the shop. My name's Tony. I've enjoyed woodworking for as long as I can remember. I love building things, making things. Most everything I make, I give away. I usually don't hardly ever sell anything. And enough of that, let's get to the shop area. All right, and here is the area where I do all my work. As you can see, it's pretty tight. It's just your average two-car garage. Everything I have is mobile on wheels though. I can move the truck out of the way and have plenty of room to get done whatever I'm working on. Well, let's start over here. I've done a few birdhouses, got a little heart jewelry box, got this little vacuum tube nightlight I made, and just a few knickknacks over here. Got a iPad cookbook holder for the kitchen, and a little mirror, a little poker chip holder for your little Harley chips. Little jewelry box deal here, made out of just all wood, hinge and everything. And a few knives, got a pin holder, made a little light up sign for the garage, and I will be doing a video on this. And also, I did do a larger Harley poker chip holder, and I'm going to do a video on this one as well. Now let's move over here. Just all the lathe items. Got some bowls back there we did. Got some wine stoppers. A few pins. Got a kaleidoscope. And did all that on this Jet 1221 lathe. And also did venture into making a few electric guitars. Little pride and joys. I love them. And that's probably about all I have right now. Everything else has been gone and delivered to somebody else. But I try to make my videos short, so if you have any specifics you need to know on anything, just let me know in the comments. I don't want people to get bored. But I think that's it for this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.